afraid. I'm afraid. Wait. I always have to be afraid. I'm like, yeah, I'm so scared. Wait, you just blew it everywhere. Stop. Get over the sink. Get over the sink. If we get a sink in the place, my mom's gonna kill me. Oh, ew. Wait. Don't blow it. She's gonna blow blood on the sink. I'm scared. Wait, stop. I can't stop smiling. Honey. Okay. Don't blow it everywhere. Oh my god. I'm afraid I've never done this. You're cleaning all that up. It came out in chunks. It's nasty.
Is it F-A-I-L-E-D? Failed.
That was really nasty. Ugh. You can't see it because of the back. Ugh. Gross. It wasn't that bad. At least I didn't spit it out right after she did. It was not that bad.
Yes, it was.
No, it wasn't. It was not that bad. I don't get what the big fuss is. If I hadn't gotten it down my throat, if it hadn't slid down my throat, I would have got it. It's like blowing dust everywhere. Clean that up. Oh, that. My spit is still orange. Was not that bad. Oh, was it free? Well, that was our failed version of the cinnamon challenge.
Yeah.
Hi.